Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to discuss about some networking commands. Like these are the top 10 networking commands which are generally used into the industries, and how what all the commands we have. So let's begin with this video, and who are the new ones, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, and press the bell icon also. You will get to notify of every YouTube video. So let's begin with this video. So first of all, the first command, that is the ping command. The ping command, what if you want to ping to the Google, or if you are using any CLI command line tool, and if you want to check with the internet connectivity. So like for the testing, to reach with the reachability of the testing, so ping generally helps in sending the echo respect specified host name, like ping 000.0. So like we have 0.0.0.0, so we have it generally pings to the and gives us the reachability testing, the things are working on fine or not. So this is the type of the use case, and we have output as a response time and packet loss statics. It's give everything to us. Okay, first is the ping command. Second, we have nslookup command. If you want to know the IP address behind the Googles, we generally use the nslookup command. You can write like nslookup if you want to check with the domain IP of Yahoo or anything, or you can say any of the website, any of the domain name if you want to check the corresponding IP address. So here nslookup command generally helps you. Then moving forward, we have IP config. IP config is nothing, but if you want to check with the IP address, what is the IP address of your system, what is the actual IP we have. So we have here we have config. We have one more thing in our menu. Let me quickly. We also have one more thing, that is if. Right here itself only we have IP config, which generally runs into the Linux also, like Linux system. Okay, this also runs into the Linux systems. Then we have what is the basically output, a list of network interfaces and they're associated. Like if you want to check with the IP, so you generally write IP config, yeah, or if config. This both works. Then we have netset. Netset is nothing, but if you want to know the all over working IPs, all the working connected networks on which port, like suppose on 80 port your HTTP is running, on suppose 5000 port your Grafana is working. So on which port what thing is running, here we have netset command. So basically netset offers a comprehensive view of your network activity. It display active connections, listening ports and traffic statics, and give you insights into network utilizations and potential issues. Okay, then like the output, a wealth of the information about network connections, allowing you to identify resource. Like it generally helps you into shortling on which port what the things all are running. Then coming to fifth, we have trace out. This generally helps into the get marker, or we can say it tracks the route packet, takes the reach destination and reveal the network scope, and generally trace the route of the Google server if we are just reaching out to the Google. So how it is reaching, how many packets are using. So here the trace route has been used. Then we have IP. IP route, it generally helps into the specified use command, but IP provides a real-time feedback on configuration changes. What is the configuration, default configuration changes. If you want to add any IP, so you can use this particular IP command to do and search work on it. Then we have TCP dump, or we can say Wireshark. We have a graphical tool as a Wireshark, and it generally helps into capturing your network, what you are writing, what your password, like get and post type of things. So allowing you to the maximum individual packets, analyze the network protocols, also captures packet display into the detailed format, and also helps in enabling you to diagnose network behavior and identity security threats. Okay, this TCP dump, or we can say Wireshark. Then again we come to the SSH. SSH is nothing but to log in, remote login. If you want to do SSH from local to your AWS machine or Azure machine or anywhere, so we generally use this SSH for the remote login purpose, like no direct output but successful connection grants your remote shell, or we get a remote login into that particular part. Moving forward, ninth, we have Nmap. Nmap is nothing but used for the scan to identify which open ports are on the targets, and this is not much use, but just you should have quite like go through on this particular part. Then 10th, we have IP tables. This generally helps into the routing tables, like which all the uh, accepting like firewall type of things, like 80 is accept, 22 is like it is not going to accept, it going to reject, like we have certain types of firewall. So with the help of IP tables, we generally provide feedback on rule creation and status part. Okay, and bonus last, we have curl. If you want to download anything, download the Google homepage or download anything specific, we have a curl command, and the usage is like curl, and just provide the link what you want to download, and it generally display the downloaded content and if the error message fails. So this was all about the like top 10 networking's commands we generally use in the industries, and you should know into your knowledge. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Alright, thank you so much.